All right, guys, so it's Jenny from Eric and Jen's Excellent Adventure. We just wanted to show you this morning breakfast hack that we found. I actually found this at a thrift store, and I thought, why not? Give it a shot. Let's try it out. It was brand new. It is a Hamilton Beach sandwich maker, and you can do more than breakfast, but my thought was breakfast when we're on the road. We don't want to pull the griddle out and, get that all set up, make a big breakfast. This is quick and easy, so I want to show you this. We love this thing. First, what we do, I got it all preheated here. This is cool. There's all these little pieces and parts in here, but all I'm going to do is lift this part up. We've got this, by the way, very easy cleaning. You don't even have to spray it or anything. These pieces come right out. So what I'm going to start with is the bottom of our English muffin. They get crumbs all over the place. One in each. Bottom, top, whichever it ends up being. We're going to put some meat on here. This is just, your regular ham lunch meat. And as I said, you can use pretty much anything in here. Pull that up. If you're going to use meat, we've done sausage patties, bacon. We have some bacon here. You do have to pre-cook it at home, so that's all right though. We've got it cooked up before we left. Close this up, pull those down, and then I'm going to go ahead with my egg and just let's see if I can do it without making a mess. Put that in there. There we go, and close it up. We'll give it a few minutes. We really haven't used this is a timer on it. I believe we didn't really have instructions for it. We haven't really used it, just kind of keep an eye on it. It's an egg, cooks pretty quick in there. So we'll give that a minute to cook up. All right, let's check on them. Looks like we still got to go for another minute. All right, let's see here. I think they're looking pretty good. Maybe a little soft, but that's okay. I like mine soft. It's going to be in there for another minute anyways. I'm going to sprinkle some campfire grilling dust. Normally we would put our everything bagel. We love that. But I forgot it. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to throw some cheese on here. Forgot the American cheese too. We like American on our breakfast, but this actually works nice because it fits right in there. And then we are going to put the top on it. Close it up, give it another minute or so, and
piece out for the egg. Piece out for the egg.
Okay. Oh, that's right, because that drops that down. See, thanks. What would I do without them? So this is neat because this actually, where your egg was, slides right out. Leaves a little bit on there. Slides right out there, and then we'll do this side. And I forgot that does make it go down a little further. You do have to be careful because this is all hot. There we go. So it takes it down a little further. That one left a little bit of stuff on there, but that's okay. Again, as I said, very easy cleanup. I don't know if we've thrown it in the dishwasher. I'm assuming you probably could. Usually, we just really just kind of wipe it off, rinse it off. Top and bottom can just kind of get wiped down, and that's it. I'll take them out. Once I take them out here, I'll show you how that piece comes off. But we'll give it another few seconds there to let it melt. But I also wanted just to mention too, this is our new bed mod, one of the new bed mods. We did the new bed over on the side, but we also cut this bed in half and have the table here. This is fantastic. Gives us that extra space here, cooking. We're not crammed. I'm not trying to use, something little. And then we'll be able to sit and have breakfast and enjoy it without having to move beds around. So, loving it. Let's check on those. I think we're looking pretty good. All right, now let's see if I can get them out without making a mess. Haha. We're going to put that part up and really just kind of put that up, slide it over. It is hot. There we go. Look at that. Delish. Quick and easy. Get this one off here. Let me unplug it to get it turned off. Oh gosh, that looks good. Again, be careful because it's hot.
A spatula would help.
Yeah. Two quick and easy, delicious breakfast sandwiches. Again, these literally, they're very hot. That's it. Let it cool down. Wipe top and bottom. Rinse those off. You're good to go. Small enough. We're happy with it. So Hamilton Beach sandwich maker. Keep it safe in your travels, and we'll catch up with you next time. Eric.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.